There's our champion.
Unbelievable. I was just like hoping for top 5. So to come away with the win, it was just the most incredible day, and I couldn't be more excited about what's to come now. I felt really good through halfway. Like the pace felt very manageable. We had a great group of women working together, and I do most of my workouts alone, so to have people there just was so wonderful. And then obviously there are moments where it gets hard, and thankfully just pushing through those and getting back to feeling good. That happened quite a few times, and then about 35K, the wheels came off. Yeah. Really? And I would just like make it to the finish. Oh my goodness, it was such a grind, and it was like direct sunlight at that point, and so I felt the heat and the humidity, and I was like, just try to stay tough, just stay tough.
Can we take you for a photo?
Can I just get